I remember when I traveled to France and how I did my application for a Schengen visa. I've been trying to see how I can put bits and bobs together to also help people that would like to travel. If you want to have this experience, you need your Schengen visa for that. How do we get the Schengen visa? So for you to get this Schengen visa, there are a few steps you need to take, and I'll be pleased to guide you through it if you struggle with anything. So first of all, I'm going to put it on the screen. You can walk with me, click on your browser, whatever browser you use, and put in Schengen visa. You're going to see a link, and you click on it. Then you can start your visa application. So prior to starting this visa application, you will need your passport and your photograph as well. So if you've not created an account before, it will ask you to create an account, then you sign in. When you create this account and signed in, you've started your application process, and you're going to have a number. With this number, you create an account, you start the application. It will ask you to fill in some things if you want to stay for short stay, long stay. However, I think we're given just 6 months, so you can travel within that 6 months period. So when you finish filling in your bits and bobs, your details in it, you're going to pay the required amount. I've forgotten how much we paid, but you're going to pay some money for the visa, and it's non-refundable. So once you started the application, you started it, just follow the prompts. And the next thing is that you're going to schedule an appointment. Mind you, while filling this application, you need to be extremely careful. It looks very simple, but you need to take your time to read through and make sure you understood everything that is there. So on the day of your appointment, you're going to go with some documents, some supporting documents, which you must have indicated during your application process. So it's like you're going to go with the application form, your insurance. Make sure you must have paid for your insurance before going. Then your hotel, you're going to put your hotel. Prior to submitting the application, you must have gotten a hotel where you want to stay. You put the details of the hotel, the number, and everything about the hotel. So guys, don't forget to go with your application form, then your bank statement and pay slips, just to be on the safe side. Your flight reservation. So in this flight reservation, it's quite tricky because you need your flight reservation date to be among the dates where you must have gone for your appointment, so that within the 3 days that is going to elapse, you must have been checked. Your international passport, your passport photograph, ERP, marriage certificate if you're married or if you've got different surnames. To apply for Schengen visa, you will need the following: the passport, visa application form, your photo ID, your medical insurance, supporting documents, fingerprints, which you do in your biometrics. Then other documents are proof of funds, proof of accommodation, proof that you actually work, pay slips and bank statements, and copies of passports and bank statements of people that are sponsoring you. That's if you're not sponsoring yourself, they just want to know that you're doing something and you're just visiting their country and you're going back to your country or wherever you're coming from. I hope this helps, and good luck to those that want to apply for their Schengen visa. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Automatic, aromatic, acrobatic, problematic, on driving, my formatic, be like magic, diplomatic, cinematic, gully bear, so you know.